Hi, my name is Sonia and we are CPET. Today we're here to show you the Easy. This is a tray sealer, a small footprint as you can see. It's an automatic tray sealer, so better for higher levels of production. This one can be a seal only machine or it can be a modified atmosphere. That means a vacuum and a gas. Small bit on the controls. You have here your temperature, and this is in Celsius. The start button. A stop button. A stop button will stop the machine, but will finish the cycle before it actually stops. And of course, we do have the emergency switch here. Here we have a touch screen. It was green then, we could have started, but now we want to perhaps modify the program. In modifying the program, you can set things like the speed of the machine. It can be slow, it can be fast. You can set the tray length, which is going to stay the same based on the mold you put in there. We can set it to seal only, or we can set it to do a vacuum and a gas flush. Then we set the different vacuum levels, how much we want to do, and so on. And when we're ready, we can press back to green. When it's green, we are ready that we can start the machine at that point. So before we start, I just want to show you that there's some safety features. All the panels on this machine need to be on for the machine to function. This here is access to the inside, and you can see if this door is open, there's a safety here. You cannot, the machine will stop, the panel goes red, and you can't use it. This door needs to be closed and in place, and we can press reset. We come back to green, and then we're ready to start. So to start, the Easy Tray Sealer is as easy as push the start button. So we'll do that now. We have set this at a slower speed. You can set it at faster speeds with a gentle approach. And as you can see, nothing is coming through, which means this part is not doing its action. There's no sealing. And that saves on your film, so you don't have film running for no reason. If we feed our containers in, which we'll do now, then you'll see the sealing action will start to happen. So you see the containers are manually fed. They go through the sealing process and they exit at the end. The scrap film is being rewound. This is adjustable so that you can have as much or as little waste as possible. Now you see it has stopped the action because there are no more trays to see. So we're going to stop the machine at this point, and that you have it in production. We had a small gas vacuum done on here. You can see that it's a little bit concave. There is a pull tab. This is suggested, but not always done. That varies. The molds, the machine is custom made to the trays that you want to use. And we'd be very happy that you choose our trays, and we will set this machine up to run your food products for your customers. When you receive your Easy model tray sealer, you will be receiving a key like this, which opens all of the panels so that you have access to the pump and all of the electronics. And also it opens over here the area to change the mold. This is the area you would use this key, undo 2 places, remove this, use a screwdriver, and you'll be able to replace the mold. This is a sample of an upper mold and what it looks like on the inside. You see that it has the sealing area and it has the knife area around it. And simply when you're putting them in, you're going to be putting it in, sliding it in like this, and you'll see here it basically plugs right in. You don't have any wires to deal with. It's going to plug in place in the right place as you need it. So quite simple to do. The nice things about these molds, they can also be used. Let's say you started with a Repeat Plus and you want to graduate to the Easy because you need more production. The top portion of the mold in the Repeat Plus can be used in the Easy and also in the future higher production machine. So this saves you a little bit of money when you need to change molds or different containers. Molds, easy to change. You can have many of them. All depends on your trays. Again, the trays available from CPET, and we'd be glad to help you decide which ones. Just give us a call at 1-877-631-2462 and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.